Good morning, praisers and savers. This is my entire CVS and Walgreens haul. CVS was my favorite today. It was actually like a Moneymaker haul with all the extra care bucks. Walgreens was also amazing. I'm going to go back today actually and get some more of this Scott paper towels and toilet paper. This has been on sale for quite some time, but I was just glad to actually go into CVS and not have to spend any money whatsoever. Love deals like this. There is a printable breakdown in the description box for CVS. Walgreens is a little different, so I'm going to do my best with breaking that down for you guys because I did use some register rewards, of course, and some Walgreens cash from previous transactions. So guys, my name is Sandy and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to all so you know when all of my videos are coming up. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook, so check me out. I put a lot of my breakdowns that are visual on Instagram and Facebook and just things throughout the week. I will be heading back into CVS and Walgreens this week just to get some more deals that I think that are useful, and I will be posting those as well. As always, I try to hit up Publix on Wednesday. Now the very first deal is going to be a great Moneymaker deal on this Colgate toothpaste. So you're going to pick up 2 of these Colgate toothpaste. They are $4.99 each. Before coupons, it's $9.98. We have a total of $5 in coupons. So there is a $1 coupon that you have on the app, and there's also a $4 coupon. Both of those are going to come off. You're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, making this a 2-cent money maker. And there's also some other coupons that we're going to talk about, but this is going to be an all digital deal for you guys, but I will talk about some more coupons that you can use. Alright, so this second deal is on this Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste. This is also another digital deal. Now you're going to pick up 2 of these at $7.99. Before coupons, your total is $15.98. Now it's important to get the Colgate toothpaste that was $4.99 and the gum toothpaste that was $7.99 and do this in one transaction, because we have a $5 off when you spend $25 on Colgate products, so that's going to come off. In addition, a $3 coupon is going to come off on the app. That's that digital coupon that you see. I also used a $1 printable coupon that I got from the coupons.com app. Now, if you don't have that coupon from the coupons.com app printed, that is okay, because I want to show you how you can use some more great savings with the coupons app in just a moment. Then with the extra care bucks, there is $6 you'll be getting back in extra care bucks when you buy both of these products. Then on IBOTTA, there are $2 back for each one of these Colgate Gum Renewal. So that's going to be $4 back on IBOTTA when you have the Colgate Gum Renewal. With all of that being said, you're going to have a moneymaker of $3.02. So far we have, with all this Colgate products, is a moneymaker of $3.04. But like I said earlier, there are some Colgate coupons on the coupons.com app that may apply. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Of course, you'll scan your Colgate items, apply those coupons at the coupons app, scan your receipt, and hopefully you'll get that money back in your account. If you do, that can be even a bigger money maker, but just check it and see. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. The next deal is on this L'Oreal face wash. I've gotten this before and I really like it. These are $4.29 each. There is a $2 store coupon on the app, bringing this down to $2.29 each. But the great thing about this is it goes with your spend 30, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So if you are looking for items to enhance your spend 30, get $10 back, you can definitely pick up one of these to go in your transaction. So pretty great deal on the L'Oreal Paris. I've gotten this for free once with a coupon, but check it out. Alright, so this is one of those glitch deals that always works. Like every week I'm able to get this L'Oreal Elvive shampoo for free or a Moneymaker. So the price on this has actually gone up. Usually we were able to pick these up for $4 each or 2 for $8. And now they are 2 for $9. So inflation on the shampoo. What we're going to do is pick up 2 of these at $4.50 each. Our total is $9 before coupons. We're going to use this $3 digital coupon on the app. And then there's also a $3 coupons.com printable coupon that you can print off. You're able to use both of those. The $3 coupon on the app is going to come off, and then you're able to use the $3 coupons.com coupon. Now, you may be able to use the coupons.com app and scan it, but it may not work because it is showing up as coming off. So I would just try to print off the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo coupon, and then you'll have $6 in coupon. In addition to that, you'll also get $4 back in extra care bucks with the $6 in coupons and the $4 in extra care bucks. This is a money maker of $1 or 50 cents each. Awesome deal. With these Garnier Skin Active Wipes, we're going to be picking these up for about 29 cents each. So here's the math. We're going to pick up 2 of these at $6.79 before coupons and savings. The total is $13.58. There is a $2 coupon on the app, and there's also a $2 store coupon. In addition to that, you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks when you buy 2 of the Garnier products. So that's going to bring everything down to $4.58. Then you're going to head on over to IBOTTA and submit your receipt for $2 each. That's $4 in IBOTTA rebates, which makes everything 58 cents or 29 cents each. I absolutely love these wipes, and this is an amazing deal. In addition to CVS, I also stopped into Walgreens to pick up some things. The first thing I picked up were these small bottles of Dawn dish soap. These are 99 cents each. I love these size bottles because I can put these in blessing bags, and they're not, heavy enough for people. And you can use Dawn dish soap for all kinds of things. So if that person needs to use it to wash clothes, or if they do have some small utensils or whatever, they're able to use it. But yeah, 99 cents for the Dawn dish soap is always my go-to, so I made sure I picked up a bottle of that. The next item is a total freebie. These Crest toothpaste are usually $3.49. They're on sale right now for $3. We do have a $3 Crest coupon that's attaching on 2 Crest products. And then we're going to get back $3 in register rewards, making this toothpaste totally a freebie. Now this is what I was really excited about. Now this is the Scott paper towels or the tissue. They are $5, and then if you buy one, you get one 50% off. So the second one will be $2.50. So essentially, when you buy 2 packs, it's $7.50. So there is a $1 coupon on the app there that we have, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting a total of over $20 in this Scott tissue and paper towels because I do have that $5 Walgreens cash that you'll get when you spend $20. So just make sure your threshold is over $20, and then you'll be able to get back that $5 cash rewards when you spend $20 on your items. So that's what I did, and I am stocked up on plenty of toilet paper and paper towels. I love when they have this deal. Alright guys, so that's about it for my CVS and Walgreens haul. Like I said, I'll be heading into Publix on Wednesday to get some food freebies for you guys. But please make sure you check out the printable breakdown for CVS. I did not do one for Walgreens since it was such a small haul of items. And I will see you guys next time in my Publix video.